So one of the things that we are telling you today is wherever you are, in whichever part of the country you are, if you see plastic waste lying around, pick it up. Try and figure out a careful, sensible way of disposing of it. Try and dissuade people and make this your pledge for the rest of the year. If you see somebody just littering plastic waste somewhere, throwing a plastic bag, throwing their gutka packet, stop them, tell them not to do it. And
what we can do is graphically show you how to do it. Here is the bad person throwing the plastic. Observe. Oh! And now you will say something to the person.
Cyrus, that is not the right thing to do. You will put it, go and deposit it
there. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong thing as well. No, we're just kidding around, but
terrible
recycle the plastic.
So I'm going to go across to one of our plastic collection centers which are there in Mumbai. There are a couple of them. Beverly Vikram Thapa there. Milind has also just arrived, the Bandra Carter Road center out there. Hi guys, so Cyrus was just showing us how not to dispose of plastic waste. Why don't you tell us the right way?
Well, first of all, what you can do, Vikram, is you can bring all your plastic waste to Carter Road in Mumbai. We have a plastic recycling center. Basically, all your plastic waste will be given over to the ICPE, which is the Indian Center for Plastics and Environment. They will take it to their recycling plant and, of course, make tons and tons of valuable products out of that. So if you have plastic waste lying at home, and I'm sure you do, please bring it across to Carter Road in Mumbai. But before we go across into more detail about how you can recycle that plastic, well, Vikram has a little news for you.
Oh, this is the queue for me to road, and I'm still jogging. And what is really happening is there's a lot of running around that has happened. Baba Ramdev has been running from or into a situation we don't know. But Milind is right here, and there is the man of the moment.
And this is a dream run because Milind Soman has run into my arms. I have dreamt about this for a very, very long time. Sweaty hug there, but still a dream run. Milind, congratulations. We're all so very proud of you, and we're giving you a standing ovation. As you can see, we have nowhere to sit.
Please continue. Thank you very much. We also have he also ran 25 kilometers.
25, yeah. Milind almost 550. We're going to complete it. How much did we run this? How much did you run just now?
We've done about 7 from Shivaji Park till Bandra, and we've got about 11 kilometers left to go till the Mumbai Greenathon hub.
Absolutely. So all of you at the Yash Raj studio, get ready for Milind because he's coming your way. Just 11 more kilometers.
550 all the way from Ahmedabad till here. I ran 25, which I think is really good for me. And Thapa, are you going to run on the spot or are you going to run with us?
I'm just going to run on the spot because I can't lose all that fat, you know. But Milind, tell me, this is the 3rd year that you've run for the Greenathon. What has
you
changed?
can be fat and run.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, so
I'll try.
Well, what has changed is the first step was taken 3 years ago. 2 years ago, this is the 3rd year, and I think it's made a huge difference to people's perceptions of what is required from them, what global warming really means. A lot of messages have gone out there. One of the reasons from doing this run across 2 states was to meet people along the way who are actually doing stuff on the ground, have taken their own initiative with their own passion, their own conviction. They've thought of things that they want to do, whatever they're interested in, whether it's saving the vulture, whether it's segregating waste, whether it's making a house out of chewing gum, which was really interesting. Whatever it is, they've taken that first step, and I think people all over the country are doing that, and I think it's one of the positive outcomes of the Greenathon.
And I have to say, Beverly and Vikram, he made a very good environment reporter. Like, if you could give competition, some of the best environment reporters.
You're truly a man who can go the distance.
Yeah, I'll let you guys be the reporter.
As long as I can do that last interview, it's all okay.
And we had lots of viewers writing in, asking when he's coming to Andhra, when he's coming to Kerala, and some even calling him Earthman. They're like, Milind the Earthman.
So where are we going next, guys? Where are you guys going next? We're going to Yash Raj, bro.
Oh God, you guys are so slow. What happened to Kanyakumari to Kargil? Taking lessons from you.
Alright guys, thanks a lot.
We'll now take Milind to the stall right here from ICPE. I mean, how about just to tell us more about how to segregate waste and talk more about plastic.
Yeah, and they did in fact take us to a factory in Gujarat. We went to one of the factories for recycling, and we saw how plastic is actually recycled and how all forms of plastic can be recycled. So it's not a question of not just using plastic, but using which we can't get rid of plastic so easily, but actually using plastic wisely, using plastic, reusing plastic, recycling plastic waste. Because you know, when you actually recycle, do we have some of the stuff here, some of the products that are made from plastic? You know, it's like this is made from recycled plastic. So when you throw away a plastic bag, you throw away a plastic bag, you can make a bench out of it. You throw away a plastic bag, you can make these walls. You throw away a plastic bag and get it recycled, you can make this. So plastic in itself is not harmful, it's how we use it, it's how we treat it that is going to make all the difference.
Interestingly, we met those ladies from Seva who actually collected kachra and garbage and segregated it and actually gave it for recycling. So
Kachra.
That's Vikram said kachra. Kachra.
Yeah, that's it. We met those ladies, and that's a form of livelihood for them. They live on very, very little. They segregate waste, they segregate get plastics from metals and other stuff, and they sell it to scrap dealers who then recycle it. So I think that's a great message for all of us. I mean, we know we're living in this culture of use and throw and disposable stuff and all of that, but we just need to throw it in the right place so things can be reused again and again.
I told you he's a great environment reporter. Huh? You'll be out of a job.
Yeah, absolutely. Milind, we are stunned by that. All right, we're looking forward to having you guys back out here. And remember, Mumbai, get any plastic waste you have to that particular collection center. And in other parts of the country, there are similar centers that you can go to. If nothing else, at least just put it into a dustbin and